Alright, so I just went through the line at Terry Black's here. I got my goodie bag. We finally got some beef ribs. Got a little half a pound of brisket to try that and, you know, see which is which. And we got some other little knickknacks there that we want to try out as well. So, you know, it's been a fun day, interesting day. Spent like 4 hours in Franklin's line, and literally it took me maybe about anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes in this line here. And this is right around 1, a little bit after 1, close to 2 o'clock. So, you know, we'll taste the flavor and see what it is, and, you know, see which is best. But for right now, I'm loving the line here at Terry Black's. Everything was quick, everything was smooth, and we got through pretty fast. So, you know, I'll sample it and let you guys see what's going on. Check back with me. Alright, so this is what we got going on here. We got, they sell the beef. You can get it by the bone. So, you know, I basically got 1 bone because this is enough for about 3 or 4 people. So we got the beef brisket here, and then we got, we got the beef rib here, and then the beef brisket at the bottom. And then we got a few sides, you know, pecan pie, banana pudding, and then we have the cornbread right here, you know what I mean? So, we ain't gonna mess with the sides right now. One thing I gotta tell you, Franklin's pecan pie was really good. You know, double the size, but obviously it was a little bit more. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. This is like $3. The one at Franklin's was 6, but you know, obviously it was bigger. And then we had the banana pudding here, and you know, like I said, let's go ahead and give this thing a sample, and you know, see what it do. I'm about to go in a barbecue coma here, baby. I mean, I wasn't lucky enough to get the one at Franklin's, but I don't know if I'm really missing out because this is really good. Well seasoned. Delicious. I'm a chip back in my yard, man, vice. It's good. Let's try the brisket. Brisket is good, but I don't think it's as good as Franklin's, but that's just my opinion. The Franklin's one was a lot more moist. This is a little bit drier. The flavor is still good, but it's a little bit more dry. The beef ribs though are really on point. So it's up for you to decide, guys. Check out both of these places. I do recommend, if you're trying to get the speedy, get it done right away in about 30-45 minutes, I recommend Terry's. If you want to wait for the experience at Franklin's, you're trying to get beef ribs, they only sell it on the weekends, as far as I know, and you got to get there probably about 6:30, 7 o'clock, and probably about 6:30, I would say, in the morning, to assure you get the beef ribs. But you guys decide. This is the end of our little adventure here. We out of here tomorrow morning early. Austin, Texas, take 1.